This is the product that Frosty will be trying today. It's Abound, and it's a grain-free alternative for dogs. They also make cat food. It's supposed to be easy to digest, and it's supposed to be protein rich, and their slogan is nutrition your pet craves. So I'm going to see just how much Frosty will eat it. He loves. See, Frosty is ready to be fed. It is his. Get off my phone. Okay, let's see if you like that. Eat that. Let's see if you'll eat it. You like it? Give me that face. No. Uh-oh. No? Yeah? Yes? No? If he cleans the bowl, that means he likes it. If he doesn't, he won't be eating this again. No, no loving until you eat the bowl. If you clean your bowl, I'm not gonna force you. As you can see, he doesn't too much like that. He walked away from it. I think he likes the gravy. I don't see him eating the meat. Yeah, he's just he likes the gravy. He's not eating that meat. So whatever meat you have in here, Abound, grain-free, high protein, my dog's not craving it. So he doesn't. He's not liking it. He's eating he's licking away the gravy and leaving your little nasty meat. So there's a thumbs down for that Abound.